the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 logs in the next, 18 in the next 12, and so on. How many rows are there? 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, there are 200 logs. So how many logs are there? 200 logs are there. 20 logs in the bottom row. This is the bottom row. How many logs are there? 20. Next 19. Next 18. So this is the points, and so on. How many rows? How many rows are there for 200 logs? Okay. How many logs are in the top row? I don't know how many rows. So first find the rows and how many logs are there in the top row. Okay, see. So first A1 equals to 20. Next A2 equals to 19. A3 18. Okay. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 90 minus 20 minus 1. See, 19 minus 20 minus 1. 18 minus 19 minus 1. This is the arithmetic sequence. So common difference is minus 1. Also given 200. That means 200 logs are stacked. Sn is given, that is 200. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 200. Okay. N by 2 into 2a value is 20 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 1 equals to 200. Okay. So 2 transpose to left side, multiply with 2. So n times of 220 is 40. 220 is 40. Minus n into minus 1 is minus n. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 equals to 2 transpose to right side, 200 times 2. So n times of 40, other see ones, n 40 plus 1, 41 n, 41 minus n equals to 400. So n times of 41 is 41 n times of n is n square equals to 400. So these terms transpose to right side, n square minus 41 n plus 400 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation in n. So split into two terms, middle term. So n square minus, this is split into two terms. So 19n minus 19n, see 400. So 200 times, 200 times, 250 times, 225 times. So 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 16. So this one can be written as 16n minus 16n minus 25n. 25 times of 16 is 400. Okay, minus 41 can be written as minus 16 minus 25 plus 400 equals to 0. From these two terms, n is the common term, so n minus 16. From these two terms, minus 25 is the common, n minus 16 equals to 0. So n minus 16 is the common term, so n minus 25 equals to 0. So n minus 16 equals to 0, n minus 25 equals to 0. Therefore, n minus 16 equals to 0 means n equals to 16 and n equals to 25. N equals to 25. See next. If n equals, so how many rows? N is nothing but number of rows. Here two types of rows are there. N equal to 16 what is one possible, n equal to 25 is another possible. Let us suppose n equal to 25. So number of logs are 25. Okay. What about an? An equal to what is the formula? So an is nothing but number of logs in the top row. A plus n minus 1 into d. So that equals to A25 equals to A value here. A value 20 plus n minus 1. 25 minus 1. D value minus 1. So 20 plus into minus 25 minus 1 is 24. So minus 4. Is it possible minus 4? If minus log terms, minus 4 logs ఉన్నాయి చెప్తాం మనం. So it is not possible. This is not possible. Not possible because minus 4 logs is not possible. Minus 4 logs ఉన్నాయంటే పొరపాటు అవుతుంది. So now therefore n equals to 16. Okay. Now check once n equals 16. N equals to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. So here 16. A16 equals to A value 20 plus 16 minus 1. D value b value minus 1. So 20 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 minus 1. 20 plus into minus is minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. So here 16 equals to 5. So the final conclusion is number of rows are rows are 16. Okay. Number of logs in the top row is 5. So number of rows are 16. Number of rows are 16. Therefore, this is first row, second row, third row. Like this, number of rows are 16. So this is 20, 19, 5. Number of logs in the top row is 5. Okay. Therefore, number of rows equals to 16. Number of logs are in the top row. Number of logs are in the top row equals to 5.